I'm Melissa Pemberton, and this is my husband Rex Pemberton, and we're from Pemberton Aerosports. We'll be performing in the Canadian International Air Show this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
What we do is a really unique and interesting act as a husband and wife couple. I actually fly a wingsuit, which is commonly referred to as a bat suit or a squirrel suit, and I fly through the air with that, and my wife Melissa here barrel rolls around me in the Edge 540.
Yeah, so the Edge 540, it's a US-built airplane built out of Guthrie, Oklahoma, 400 horsepower engine. It's one of the most high-performance aerobatic airplanes that exists, and I'll be barrel rolling around Rex for about 3 minutes until he deploys his parachute. He'll be landing in the water right out front of the city here, and then from there I go into my solo aerobatic routine. So, come on out to the show. It's going to be a great weekend.
Yeah, it should be a bunch of fun. You're going to see a whole lot of different unique acts, and get to see me in free fall in flight and Melissa and her fantastic aerobatics. So come out to the show.